You've probably seen them in offices, living rooms, or scrolling through your social feed. Walking pads are everywhere, and it's easy to see why. They solve two major problems at once: sitting too much and struggling to fit a full-size treadmill into smaller spaces. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just looking for a way to stay active without overhauling your entire setup, walking pads have become the go-to solution for smarter fitness. They're slim, quiet, and surprisingly powerful. But here's the truth: not all walking pads are created equal. Some are designed for tight budgets and light use. Others fold neatly under your sofa or desk, and a few bring features that rival full-size treadmills without taking over your living room. Today, we're counting down the 12 best walking pads ranked for every budget, lifestyle, and space. You'll see compact home office models, ultra-slim designs, mid-range performers, and premium machines that make daily movement effortless. Before we start, here's a little trivia for you. Which decade saw the first commercially available home treadmills? A. 1940s. B. 1950s. C. 1960s. D. 1970s. E. 1980s. We'll reveal the answer right before we hit number 1. And remember, if you love staying ahead of the curve with fitness and tech, hit that like button, subscribe to Tony's Top Tech, and share this video with someone who's ready to step up their daily routine. All right, let's get moving. Before we jump into the top 10, a few models deserve recognition for pushing boundaries in performance and design. Merrick NovaWalk W50 Trek Pad. If you're looking for a sleek, high-performance walking pad that doesn't compromise on power, the Merrick NovaWalk W50 Trek Pad incline model is a serious contender. This incline model offers a premium under-desk experience built for both productivity and fitness. With a sturdy 400-pound weight capacity, it stands among the most durable in its category. The motorized incline helps burn calories faster and engage different muscle groups, while the whisper-quiet brushless motor keeps your workday distraction-free. Add in Bluetooth app tracking and smart speed adjustments, and you've got a walking pad that feels both futuristic and reliable. Tony's Take. The NovaWalk W50 feels solid, smooth, and refined, perfect for anyone who wants professional-grade performance without sacrificing convenience. Walking Pad P1 Foldable Walking Treadmill. This fan favorite is ultra-slim, whisper-quiet, and can literally slide under your bed. It's the definition of minimalism. Available in both standard and pink editions, the P1 is perfect for apartments or shared spaces where every inch counts. It's lightweight, quick to fold, and features responsive speed control that adjusts to your pace automatically. Tony's Take. If space is your biggest challenge, the P1 is your best friend. It's simple, efficient, and disappears when you're done. Nypo Foldable 2-in-1 Walking Pad. This model combines portability and affordability. With dual LED displays, remote control operation, and a sturdy under-desk design, the Nypo 2-in-1 makes it easy to sneak in steps while you work or watch TV. Tony's Take. The Nypo is for those who want functionality without complication. A solid, reliable walking pad that gets the job done without the fluff. Number 10. WellFit TM010 Slim Fold Walking Pad Treadmill. This is our pick for a small home office compact home office pick. If you want to walk while you work, this one's made for you. The WellFit TM010 unfolds in seconds, needs no assembly, and runs quietly enough to keep your conference calls clear. It's compact, installation-free, and blends into your workspace effortlessly. For remote workers or content creators who spend hours sitting, it's a practical investment that fits under most desks. The smooth belt, clear LED display, and sturdy build make it ideal for multitasking between emails, calls, and cardio. Tony's Take. It's not built for marathon training, but if you're looking for a sleek, office-friendly way to stay active throughout the day, the TM010 Slim Fold is a perfect fit. Number 9. WellFit TM002 Spacious Walking Pad. Some walking pads feel too narrow or restrictive. The WellFit TM002 changes that with an extra-wide deck designed for comfort and stability. Its upgraded frame supports a higher weight capacity, giving users of all sizes a smoother, more confident stride. The intuitive remote control lets you adjust speed without breaking rhythm, and the spacious design feels noticeably safer and more natural than budget models. Tony's take. Comfort is king here. If you hate short, cramped walking pads, the TM002 gives you the freedom to move naturally. Number 8. Generic budget walking pad. Let's be honest, some people just want a simple way to stay active at home without breaking the bank. This no-frills model proves you don't need deep pockets to add movement to your day. With a price tag typically around $100, this walking pad focuses on essentials: a lightweight frame, basic speed control, and easy foldability for quick storage. It's perfect for light daily walking, quick breaks, or small apartments. Tony's take. It's bare bones, but that's the point. If you're dipping your toes into fitness tech, this is an unbeatable way to start moving more without overspending. Number 7. Urevo CyberPad 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. The Urevo CyberPad hits that sweet spot between affordability and performance. Designed for under-desk use, it delivers a quiet 2.25 horsepower motor and a smooth, fold-flat profile. You can use it while working, streaming, or even gaming. It's built with safety and convenience in mind, featuring a responsive remote, durable belt, and easy-to-store design that slips beneath a bed or couch. Tony's take. This one's ideal if you're curious about walking pads but don't want to go all in yet. It's reliable, quiet, and a great starting point for building consistency. Pro tip: start slow. Gradually increase your walking time and pace. Fitness is a journey, not a sprint. So stay safe, be smart, and enjoy the process. Number 6. Urevo Spacewalk E4 Walking Pad. This model delivers performance beyond its price tag. With a 2.25 horsepower motor, 3.8 miles per hour top speed, and shock-absorbing deck, the Spacewalk E4 is built for daily use without sacrificing comfort. It even includes detachable mats for light incline training and better impact control. It's a great pick for the money. The frame is solid but lightweight, making it easy to reposition or roll into storage after your session. Tony's take. If you want premium-level performance at a budget price, this might be the most balanced option on the entire list. Number 5. Go Plus 2-in-1 Folding Walking Pad Treadmill. Not too cheap and not too high-end, the Go Plus 2-in-1 folding pad finds that perfect middle ground. It's compact enough for home or office use, yet powerful enough for brisk walking or light jogging. The app integration lets you track your progress, calories, and speed while adding a touch of smart functionality. The dual mode, walking and jogging, adds versatility that makes it more than just a desk companion. Tony's take. Think of this one as the Toyota of walking pads, reliable, sleek, and built to last. If you want something dependable with a few smart upgrades, Go Plus is a strong contender. Number 4. Walking Pad RR2 Folding Running and Walking Treadmill. This model pushes versatility to the next level. The Walking Pad R2 doubles as both a walking and running treadmill, giving you flexibility for light cardio or more intense sessions. Its standout feature is the double fold hinge design, which allows it to compress smaller than almost any other treadmill in its class. The LED display keeps your stats front and center, while EVA cushioning under the belt provides exceptional shock absorption. Tony's take. If you want a single machine that transitions seamlessly from walking to running and tucks away when you're done, the R2 is a near-perfect solution. Number 3. Rove Concepts. Camino Treadmill. The Camino by Rove Concepts feels like it belongs in a luxury apartment or design showroom. It's beautifully engineered, whisper quiet, and offers one of the smoothest rides in the category. This upgraded model uses a brushless motor for consistent power delivery and a multi-layer belt for better joint protection. The folding design keeps it practical for smaller homes, while the build quality makes it feel far from compact. Tony's take. This is the walking pad for people who refuse to compromise on style or performance. It's refined, smooth, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Number 2. Go Youth 2-in-1 Premium Foldable Treadmill. This high-rated walking pad makes our number 2 spot. At this level, a walking pad starts to feel like a full gym treadmill. The Go Youth 2-in-1 combines a 10-mile-per-hour top speed with a 300-pound capacity, making it suitable for both walkers and runners. Its reinforced frame adds stability, while the foldable design ensures it still fits neatly into tight spaces. You get a spacious deck, durable materials, and a design that supports heavy use without wearing out quickly. Tony's Take. For those serious about fitness but short on space, this one delivers pro-level performance without needing a dedicated workout room. Trivia answer. Earlier we asked, which decade saw the first commercially available home treadmills? The answer is the 1960s. That's when the first home models started appearing on the market, turning living rooms into personal gyms for the first time. Fast forward to today, and walking pads have taken that innovation further, offering the same fitness benefits in slimmer, smarter, and quieter packages. Number 1. Best all-around picks. Costway 2-in-1 under-desk walking pad treadmill. And Deerrun walking pad. This is a new one for us at Tony's Top Tech. We have a two-way tie for number 1. If you want the best combination of value, build, and everyday usability, these two take the crown. The Costway 2-in-1 walking pad offers a strong blend of affordability and quality. It's compact enough for any home or office, provides reliable motor power for consistent use, and features intuitive speed control. It's simple, sturdy, and effective. Everything most people need. Then there's the Deerrun Upgrade Walking Pad, an improved version of the viral model that took the internet by storm. This updated edition features a more powerful motor, smoother belt design, and better shock absorption. It's built for longevity and comfort while maintaining an attractive price point. Tony's Take. These two define balance. They're the kind of products that fit any lifestyle. Simple enough for beginners, durable enough for long-term use, and affordable enough to make sense for most homes. So, there you have it. The 12 best walking pads ranked for every budget, space, and fitness level. We explored everything from ultra-budget models under $120 to premium folding treadmills that can handle serious runners. Whether you're building a smarter home office or looking for a compact way to stay active indoors, there's a walking pad here designed for you. Before you go, remember these 3 things. Like this video if you found the countdown helpful. Subscribe to Tony's Top Tech so you never miss future fitness and gadget reviews. Share this video with someone who needs a practical way to stay active at home. And don't forget, our upcoming videos dive into kid-friendly gadgets that help families stay healthy and tech-savvy together. Plus, we've got contest teases coming up soon. Watch till the end of every Tony's Top Tech video so you don't miss your chance to win great gear and exclusive prizes from the channel. This is Tony's Top Tech, helping you stay ahead of the curve with your daily dose of smart tech, fitness innovation, and real-world solutions. See you in the next one. Hit the follow button and check out Tony's Top Tech on other platforms. For more tech review, see you in the next one.